If you wish to delete your Amazon Prime Video account permanently, follow these steps carefully to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime Video subscription. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Prime Membership Settings. In the account settings, find and click on Prime or Manage Prime Membership. This section will provide you with information about your Prime subscription and options related to it. Step 4. End your Prime membership. Look for the option to end membership or cancel membership. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to cancel your Prime membership. This step is crucial as it will stop any future charges. Step 5. Delete your account. After canceling your Prime membership, go back to the Your Account page. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and select Close Your Account. Follow the instructions provided to permanently delete your account. After completing these steps, your Amazon Prime Video account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to consider any content or subscriptions you may lose access to before proceeding.